The city's driving industrial growth, an electric flying car, and a record recall fine. This is your Manufacturing Minute. Welcome to the Manufacturing Minute. I'm today's host, John Minnick. America has been hard at work regaining the manufacturing jobs lost during the recent recession. Forbes released a list of the top U.S. cities driving industrial growth and leading the nation's manufacturing renaissance. Michigan, the state hit hardest by the industrial decline, accounts for the top 3 cities in the list and has managed to regain about 40% of the manufacturing jobs lost in the recession. The Rust Belt isn't the only region experiencing a major revival, though. America's southeast is another hub of skilled workers, foreign investments, and massive manufacturing employment. Check out the full list at Forbes' website. Although the idea of a flying car sounds more like science fiction, automaker Terrafugia is turning the fantasy into reality. The company's TFX is a 4-seat flying electric car that looks like a sedan, but with pods on each side that hold 600 horsepower engines with folding propellers. These allow the off-road vehicle to reach estimated speed of 200 miles per hour. Still in development, the manufacturer says the autoplane likely won't be hitting the market until 2021, bringing us one step closer to the overhead traffic jams of tomorrow.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Federal authorities imposed a record $105 million fine on Fiat Chrysler automobiles after the automaker failed to complete 23 recalls involving more than 11 million vehicles. Fiat Chrysler will also be required to buy back up to 500,000 vehicles with defective suspensions, while more than 1 million Jeeps with fire-prone gas tanks can be traded in for above market price value or repaired at FCA's expense. Also part of the settlement, Fiat Chrysler has agreed to submit to rigorous federal oversight for 3 years and to hire an independent monitor. So what do you think? This settlement really indicates that the NHTSA is taking a more aggressive approach towards companies that fail to disclose defects or don't properly conduct a recall. Earlier this year, the NHTSA fined Honda $70 million for failing to report accidents and safety issues, while GM got hit with a $35 million fine for its 10-year delay on reporting the infamous faulty ignition switches. Do you think fines will get automakers to pay greater attention to quality and safety issues? Or are companies just playing the odds and hoping for the best when it comes to recalls? Email us or leave your comments below. That's all the time we have for today, but check out our sites every Tuesday and Thursday for your next Manufacturing Minute.